Leveraged Life Weekly Update. Week of August 10th through 14th, 2026. Not financial advice, simply my journey in margin. Lots to get through this week. Let's dive in. A choppier week than last, but still more records. Monday and Tuesday pulled back as U.S.-Iran tensions escalated and doubts grew over a Strait of Hormuz resolution. Intel fell 4% Monday on a $15 billion stock offering, and Nvidia and Apple dropped alongside it. But Wednesday's CPI came in right at expectations, easing rate hike fears, and Thursday's PPI report was flat. Both readings took some heat off the Fed. The S&P cleared 7,800 for the first time ever on Thursday, closing at a record 7,798.99. NASDAQ also closed at a new high, 26,803.03. The Dow lagged the other two, down slightly on the week after Cisco's post-earnings slide. Cisco fell 8.4%, worst Dow performer of the week after disappointing earnings. Cerebras dropped 13% on a revenue miss. CoreWeave and Supermicro both surged on strong AI-driven results. CoreWeave up 20% in a single session. Reddit jumped 12% ahead of officially joining the S&P 500. Friday. No major earnings, but consumer sentiment data came in soft, giving markets a reason to pull back slightly into the close. Attention now shifts to Target and Walmart next week, then Nvidia's highly anticipated report on August 26th. This was a busy one. Built the satellite lineup up, then trimmed it back down. Tuesday, added COSY, NFLY, ZEQT, and GOHI, $500. Wednesday, added TSLY, INTY, PLTE, CRWY, and BRKY, $625. Thursday, one more small BRKY nibble, $125. Friday, trimmed METE, TSLY, and PLTE back out, $395.58, all of them winners for a combined $20.58 gain. This wasn't about calling a top, it's about keeping the number of open satellite positions manageable and holding cash back for deeper pullbacks instead of chasing every name up here. On the options wheel, 3 names active this week. NOK rolled from the August 28th to the September 18th $10 put for $15. SOFI rolled from August 28th to September 18th $18 put for $34. And TSLL is a brand new name on the wheel, sold to open the September 18th $7 put for $20 in fresh premium. Also did some housekeeping, converted $314.22 of SOFI premium and $27.22 of TSLL premium back from USD to Canadian dollar, both applied directly against the margin balance. $341.44 Canadian dollar total converted this week. Distributions came in at $140.29 across 12 positions, 9 of them landing Monday, 3 more Tuesday. Quick detour for anyone who doesn't know, I also run a fully algorithmic futures trading system on the side, completely separate from the real money margin account. And this week, it hit a real milestone. This trade passed the funded challenge, meaning the system moves from a demo/challenge account onto real funds with a prop firm. That's the first time this system has traded live capital. The setup itself was clean. Price broke above the 15-minute pre-market high on the micro Nasdaq, MNQ, tagged prior day high, formed a tight bull flag, and continued straight into new highs, a textbook PMH breakout, bull flag, continuation pattern. Nothing discretionary. The strategy is fully systematic, Pine script driven, 1 trade per setup per day. This is just a small taste of where the channel is headed. There's more than one way I'm putting these ideas to work, and passing this challenge is a real step forward on that side of things. Quick reminder, the 200-follower milestone giveaway is still live. 1 hoodie and 2 t-shirts, 3 lucky winners, no purchase necessary. Entries close August 31st, so if you haven't signed up yet, there's still time. Link in bio. That's the week. A lot of moving pieces, some new records, some trimming, and a little glimpse behind the curtain on the futures side. Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. See you next week.